Hey folks, AJ here. We're back at my famous workbench. Today we're highlighting the jet nozzle, trim, and retaining ring on a jet that was used by MAAX and Pearl over the years. This is a very distinguished jet. If you see this jet in your tub, this video is for you. Okay, to remove this jet from your tub, you're definitely going to need this tool. This tool is no longer being made. I got about 100 of them back left in stock. Some of them are broken, like this one with 3 prongs. That's not a big deal. It'll still get the job done, and I'm going to show you how it does it right now. So if you look deep down inside the jet, you're going to see the 4 notches where the prongs are going to fit into your slots. So you get that in there, and that's just going to thread right out for you. Out comes the retaining ring that holds the nozzle in place. And then we have the nozzle, and there's also a nylon bushing, which is important. And when I put it all back together, I'm going to show you what this nylon bushing is all about. This is very important. Okay, now the other end of the tool is going to fit into the 6 spots that holds the trim ring on, and the trim ring is just that little turn, 1/8 of an inch, that comes out. All right, let me show you what's going on with this turn. You can see this little groove pattern. All right, there's 2 of them. There's one on either side of the jettis cushion. And they're going to line up with these notches that are in the jet body. All right, let me show you how everything goes back together. First, you're going to want to put the nylon ring in with the tapered side, the narrow side down. Then you're going to put in the eyeball. Okay, I'm going to drop over the lock ring and then tighten it down with the tool. You can see now that nozzle is nice and snug, but yet pliable enough to be able to direction it in the location where you need it for the massage. Now the trim ring, just line up your notches, get it to fall in there, give it that little 1/4 inch of a turn, and that's it. Now you're back in business, looking nice and clean, making your tub look brand new again. I do have another video explaining the jet body. Make sure you check that out on our YouTube page. That's pretty much everything you need to know about changing your trim nozzle and trim ring on your MAAX Pearl Whirlpool tub. Don't forget to share and like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are your Whirlpool Tub Parts Authority.